Hello buddies, today I'll be showing you all how to make your pepper base or your tomato pepper base or your tomato pepper puree for your jollof rice, your stew and your sauce. So this is going to give you a deep red coloration without any coloring spice. Yes, so these are the things you need. You need your garlic, you need some garlic just as you can see in the video. You need some garlic. You need some onions, about 2 medium or large size onions, but you use medium onions, 2 of it. If you are using large onion, bigger ones, you can use 1. So you peel your onion and then slice it just like this. So you also need shombo or cayenne pepper. Okay, you need more of the shombo or cayenne pepper. Okay, I'll be listing it in the comment section or in the description section. You need more of shombo or cayenne pepper. You're going to remove the seeds. You also need tatashe, more of tatashe, or what you call bell peppers. Okay, red bell peppers. Then you need your atarodo, or what is called habanero pepper. Habanero pepper and Scotch bonnet, they have quite some similarities, but the difference is that the habanero pepper is more hotter. It's hotter and a bit kind of more spicier than Scotch bonnet. So once you are done removing the seed and prepping the peppers and all that, and the onion, the garlic and everything just like this, you're going to toast this, or you're going to place this in your oven for up to 35 minutes at 200 degrees. But if you don't have an oven, you can just toast it in a pan. Okay, let it just dry a little, just like that, because we want to make it very hot and spicy. So next you're going to be adding some tomato, about 4 fresh tomatoes or 3 depending on the size, and some ginger. Then a handful of ginger though. Then you add about 2 cups of water and blend. So blend everything just as you see until you form a very smooth thick paste like this. Okay, light paste like this. Then the next thing you're going to do is you place a pot on heat, add some vegetable oil into the pot. Don't add too much though. Depending on the quantity you are making, just add some vegetable oil into the pot. So once you're done adding the vegetable oil, this vegetable oil is going to help this not to dry out too much and not to burn while you are drying it or while you are cooking it on heat. So you pour all the blended pepper and tomato puree and then cover the pot on low heat or medium heat and let it cook gradually till it dries like this and thickens up just like this. That is when your pepper puree is ready. So the next thing you are going to do is, if you are making your stew or your jollof rice immediately, you can go ahead and use it. But if you are not making it immediately, just package it either in a Ziploc bag or in a nylon bag or in a container that has lid. Cover this and put in your refrigerator or freezer and use whenever you want. You can see the thickness or the consistency of the puree. This is how it's supposed to be before you go on to store it. You can see how thick it is. You can see how it is. So don't forget to follow me on all my social media handles at The Variety Chef, and please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. See you in my next one. Bye.